steps right here. I'm just heading over to my buddy's house here, just through the woods, through there. We got a big Hurricane Earl, and it's really freaking cool, eh? So I got some stuff here with me, taking over to my buddy's house, and we just got the big storm. I was listening to Cindy Day on the radio, eh? And Cindy says that the eye storm is going to be right at my buddy's house. So I got this here tarp, and I got some rope. The rope I stowed at the pellet mill, and I got this duct tape too. It's a really big duct tape. This top is super. What we're going to do is we're going to take when the wind's blowing, we're going to take the tarp, and we're going to make a big friggin' parachute, and we're going to sail right up in the sky. Tarp. This is worthless. You don't get the Earl storm in today. And I gotta keep this stuff to this storm. Because if that gets wet, might not work on the tarp. The rope. It's getting really friggin' windy, eh? So we're gonna get out there and we're gonna make a big parachute. And I'm gonna be flying high up there. My buddy Brad, you know, the guy that's always talking dirty. He's coming over because he lives in a castle, but he's really smart. And he says if I bring a top over, he's gonna cyber swoop me right into the sky. That's what I'm doing. The wind's really blowing. But Cindy Day said that high of that storm got right over my buddy's house. That's where I'm going. I see that.